Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure that we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to earn your business all over again. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.